How to fix app not installed error on Android. And to fix this issue, you have to clear the case of the Google Play package installer. For that, simply go to your settings. Now tap on settings and scroll down until you find the apps section and tap on apps. Now from this list, find Google Play, or you can simply use the search bar. Then simply remove the case from the Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Tap on it. Now scroll down and go to the storage section, and at the end you'll find case. Tap on clear case. Now do the same for the Google Play Store. Go to the storage and tap on clear case. Next, try to free up your storage. Delete any unused files. Android needs at least 1 GB of free space to unpack and install any new apps. So try to free up your internal storage. And finally, if none of these work, try turning off your Play Protect. Open your Play Store, then tap on your profile icon, then tap on Play Protect, and at the top there is a setting or gear icon. Tap on it. And from here, simply turn off Scan Apps with Play Protect, and tap on Turn Off. And in this way, if you're trying to install an APK file, it can be installed easily without the system trying to block to install it. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.